What is up, YouTube? Have you heard of all these crazy apps that are supposed to help you make money off of Instagram? And most of them, well, frankly, they don't do a whole heck of a lot. They help you build followings. What if there was an app that could actually let you not only build a following, but actually direct message your Instagram followers? Would that be cool? If you're thinking so, stay with me. I got something super special for you in my review of Instabot. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat, and that is because I wear fedora well. You know what it is, everywhere I go. And I am one of the few people who can promo successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products that make money online niche because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Or seriously pay attention to this one. This is really good. You could go to your own Instagram following if you actually would pay attention to this. He doesn't pay attention, though. He always complains. Anyway, the way things work here, if I like a pot, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz. I just started watching 30 Rock again. She's such a sweetheart. I love Liz. She's a great person, with the hot dog thing. If you ever watch 30 Rock again, with the whole hot dog thing at the beginning. Anyway, whatever. I digress. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. If you're frankly subscribed, doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay. So we are here on the front page of Instabot. And you can see here some examples of sales numbers. These are from JBZoo. And this is absolutely a doable number, by the way. Okay, $100 a day. That's not hard to do when you have the power of Instagram. But I'm going to tell you why this is so powerful. Okay, because most Instagram stuff, basically what it does is it will allow you to follow and unfollow people in order to build your audience. And I've done that. I have nearly 8,000 subscribers. I'm going to show you when we go over to the members area exactly how many people I have following me.
Our lives, we are eternally grateful.
Stop following me like that. I'm not talking about people following me, anyway. But seriously, I have a lot of followers, and I actually am going to show you in my custom bonus, by the way, I have some really cool bonuses for you. First of all, I found an app you can use to actually do the follow and unfollow thing without spending any extra money. Most of the apps do charge quite a bit of money. They're monthly fees. This one is the only one I found that actually offers a free tier. They do have a paid option, but they have a free tier available, which you can use without paying for it. And long term, you can use it without paying for it. I'm also going to show you how I was able to start with about 5,000 organic followers. And this is really important, by the way, because a lot of people will tell you, oh, you can go buy followers. Sure, you can buy followers. They're all going to be bots, which is basically going to mean that there's no human being there. They're fake accounts that were created for the purpose of creating fake accounts. Somebody's going to go out and basically create a whole bunch of accounts using software, and the software is going to automatically follow you. You're going to follow them, and nobody's actually making any money because there's no real people there. It's all just bots. It's all fake. The way I did it, you actually get real engagement from real people. I'm going to show you how I was able to do that for a very, very minimal amount of money. And in addition, I'm going to give you 20 Instagram-ready inspirational quote videos that you can actually go ahead and use on your Instagram to get started. I'm also going to show you about 10 bonuses that were actually provided to me by the vendors of Instabot that you're going to get as well. So it's a really, really nice bonus package. And of course, the price as I'm recording this video is just $17. Super, super cheap. Very, very well worth your while to pick it up. So let's go ahead and take a look inside the members area. I'm going to show you the members area, and then we'll see if I can give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not. Okay. Let's take a quick look here at the Instabot app. You can see that I'm inside the account, and into my custom post, you're going to see that I'm going to show you I have nearly 8,000 followers. You can see right here, you're going to see exactly how in my custom bonus I was able to build such a big following. It's not under my name, but it is my own account that I own, that I control. And what you can do is you can basically send emails to a whole bunch of different kind of people here. So, for example, you can see here you have all these different options. I'm going to recommend starting at least with the slow 25 minutes a day. I know it's not a lot, but it's not worth losing your Instagram account over. So, and you can choose various options. You can, for example, try to keep on followers. All right. And you can choose, you can actually create lists, for example, first of all. So we can go over here to users and actually create a list of specific users. So, for example, they suggest most followed accounts on Instagram. Okay, you can create a new list and basically add people in to your list so that you can actually specify, for example, if you have specific people that you know you want, or you can simply create a multiple list and you can search, for example, by hashtag. So, for example, let's say that I want to search for hashtag money. So I can actually search inside of Instagram for anybody who's interested in money. And it's going to actually look through my entire Instagram follower list to find anybody who has that word hashtag money inside of their account. And this way, basically, what I'll be able to do is I'll be able to actually go ahead and pull in just these particular people in order to go ahead and send them a message. And it's taking a bit of time, so I'm not going to go through that entire thing right now. But the bottom line is it's possible to be able to do this. Okay, you can also import people by specific names. In this case, let's just go ahead and send a quick message here. So what we can do is like this. We can go ahead and send a like to some followers. That's pretty safe to do, basically, if you want to go ahead and like some of your followers' stuff. So you can go ahead and start liking people's content. This will actually improve the chances that you're actually going to go and keep some of your followers. Or you can also use hashtags. So, for example, if you want to search for the hashtag money, okay, you can also put in spin tags. You can see here that you can actually go ahead and put in spin tags. Basically, what that means is that you'll have multiple different versions of your message. So it won't go to the exact same people, the exact same message. But in this case, we're just going to do like. Okay, and you can see the it's recommended to follow Instagram. The best is sending limits. For right now, we're going to send it as slow. Just going to click send message. And basically what's going to happen is that it's going to go out there and start liking some of my followers' content for me. And the idea is that basically what's going to happen is that it's going to start liking some of my followers' stuff. And this way, I'm going to get more engagement from my own followers. It'll randomly go out and like them for me. Okay, I can also look for various types of targets. So, for example, people I'm following as opposed to people who are following me. Okay, I can get specific users, or I can also look at people I've direct contacted. I can also use direct messenger here. This is a very, very full-featured app. You can go to the various sections of the app to actually see, and you can also add multiple accounts if you have the upgrade. So there's a lot of things that you can actually do here in order to really start building up your Instagram and really start connecting with people here on Instagram in order to make quite a bit of money off of Instagram, actually. It's a really, really nice piece of software. Very slick, very well put together. So see if you're going to give the tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
The giant hat, sir.
Love this thing. I love that video, by the way. That's really funny, from Family Guy. But anyway, I did have a couple of glitches at the beginning when I was using it. I spoke to their support. They were really, really helpful and got things figured out right away. So it was really easy to get the ball rolling and to be able to start using the software. I've already started to use it, as you saw, and I'm expecting to see some results that I will hopefully be able to share with you via my email list. If you're not on my email list, you can go ahead and join on my website, ericandhammer.com. If you are, then you already are going to be hearing about this from me. And I'm going to be hopefully sharing some results of this software with you. And I really am excited about this. So go ahead and grab it. For $17, you really can't go wrong.